The majestic Himalayas, a journey through time. The Himalayas, often referred to as the roof of the world, began forming around 50 million years ago. This spectacular range was created by the collision between the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates, a process that continues today, making the mountains grow even higher. Comprised of over 100 peaks exceeding 7,200 meters, the Himalayas stand as a testament to Earth's geological might. This ongoing tectonic activity introduces students to the fascinating world of plate tectonics, a pivotal subject in understanding our planet's dynamic nature and the forces that shape it. The Himalayas are home to some of the planet's most diverse ecosystems. Students can explore the lush subtropical forests, alpine meadows, and barren landscapes that support numerous species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The region offers a unique opportunity to study biodiversity and ecosystem interactions. This biodiversity hotspot includes charismatic species like the snow leopard and red panda. Such diversity highlights ecological connectivity, contributing to climate regulation and water cycles. Educators can use the Himalayas as a natural laboratory to teach students about conservation and the significance of preserving unique habitats. Beyond natural wonders, the Himalayas are rich in cultural history. The region is home to a mosaic of ethnic groups with distinct languages, customs, and traditions. For students, this cultural diversity offers insight into human adaptation and resilience in harsh environments. The Himalayas are also a cradle of spirituality, with sacred sites for Buddhism and Hinduism including Lumbini and Kedarnath. These sites attract pilgrims and offer students a chance to explore the intersection of religion, geography, and history, enriching their understanding of cultural identities and spiritual practices. The Himalayas play a pivotal role in influencing regional climates, acting as a barrier to monsoon winds and contributing to the South Asian climate. This process showcases the complex interplay between geography and climate patterns, critical for students studying atmospheric sciences and environmental systems. However, the Himalayas face significant environmental challenges, glacial melting, deforestation, and climate change impacts. These challenges provide an urgent context for students to analyze sustainable practices, emphasizing the importance of balancing human activity with environmental stewardship to safeguard the region's future. For students craving adventure, the Himalayas represent a realm of exploration. With opportunities for trekking, mountaineering, and scientific expeditions, the region turns textbooks into tangible experiences. Such activities foster teamwork, resilience, and a profound appreciation for natural beauty. Encouraging interdisciplinary projects, students can merge physical education with geography, science, and history. These explorations inspire future scientists, explorers, and conservationists while instilling a sense of stewardship for our planet's extraordinary landscapes. Uncover the centuries-old mysteries of the Himalayas and engage with their transformative power. Be part of preserving these majestic landscapes and rich cultures. Dive into research, join conservation efforts, or simply share this knowledge to inspire others to safeguard one of Earth's greatest treasures.